Hello, everybody. Welcome back to JSA TV and JSA Podcast, where we're covering the latest stories, trends, and innovations. Live here from beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii. We're live on the Coral Lounge lobby, basically right outside of the showroom floor at PTC'24. Very excited to be here on the final day of PTC on Wednesday. It has been an amazing week. We're excited to be joined by Mark Swift. You are VP of Engineering and Product Management for Starline, which is a Legrand brand.
Correct.
Welcome for joining.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for joining us.
Yeah, you as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are just going to dive right in. We have a lot to talk about, and as you can already see, we have a prop today. So we have a good visual for you all. Let's talk about energy consumption monitoring and management. So we're hearing more about revenue grade energy monitoring systems. So that's kind of what we want to focus our conversation around today. So can you talk about why that's so important, basically, for the digital infrastructure industry and for data centers?
Definitely. What we see with a lot of our major accounts, these facilities consume so much power. They need to have the ability to understand how much power they're using, benchmark where they are, and then as they're implementing their different strategies to reduce power consumption, then they will use our metering platform to be able to get that information, which is critical for them to make the decisions to run these facilities.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, nice, short and sweet. Perfect answer. I like that. Let's talk about specifically about your product line now.
Yes.
Get into Starline has just unveiled. I know you put out an announcement this week here at PTC,
We
right?
did.
About your M70 Critical Power Monitor here. So can you just tell us kind of the origin story, like what inspired you all to develop this third generation of your product?
So the story starts about 10 years ago. So the Critical Power Monitor platform was actually purpose built for our application. So really has the features and functionality necessary to be able to deliver the information to completely manage our system. This platform is the next iteration of that. So we have new processor, faster RAM, built-in integral web page, and some different things to really be able to give end users that next generation platform that they need to be able to support this.
Excellent. Perfect. All right. Well, and then we'll talk about features and functionalities a little bit more then for the M70. So could you name maybe the top 5 features that you would communicate about this product and what makes it stand out in the market?
Yeah, definitely. So like I said, the faster RAM, the new processor in there. So it's a cold fire processor that we have, really gives the functionality and the speed necessary to be able to really have this thing function in the manner possible that we need to be able to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you for that. And then, so your announcement that went out this week here at PTC talks about the M70, and it says it's the only meter that'll work well with track busway systems. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, really, like I said, it was purpose built for our application. We have a lot of scenarios. This plug-in unit that you see here is actually how our customers tap off power to be able to power their racks of equipment. We actually have it so it can monitor up to 6 different receptacles out of that box and give you revenue grade metering on each of those outlets. So really the densities that customers need from the busway itself. So really pluggable space is of importance whenever you're installing a busway system, and being able to maximize the locations where you can tap off power is of definite benefit with this metering platform, and then being able to get the information from each of those receptacles. So really it does, and it has been built for our application and specifically for busway.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that was a perfect overview of what you've got going on here. I think just enough to get people excited to go learn more on your website. So where would you direct folks who want to learn more?
Anybody who wants to learn more can go to our website. It's starlinepower.com.
Okay.
And all the information on this platform is there and can be readily accessible.
All right. Starlinepower.com. Definitely check it out. Keep an eye on the space. Follow them on LinkedIn. And got a lot of new features and functionality that you outlined here today. So thank you, Mark, for joining us and for bringing this meter, and so that our viewers could see and hear a little bit more about it. We appreciate you joining us today. And thank you, viewers, for hanging out with us here live at PTC 24. Happy networking.
Thank you.